Hi there, and welcome to Reacting with Petra. I'm Petra, I'm from Sweden, and today I will be reacting to something that I'm very excited about. It's Tate Mcrae and Briar Nolet dancing their duet Bird Girls. I look forward to this because I have found Tate Mcrae and Briar Nolet to be two of my favorite dancers I have ever seen, so this will be very, very fun. Let's go! Oh, and it seems to be some sort of professional video with the title and everything. Oh, I love these kinds of videos. Beautiful song already. Look at them. I love this band! I think this is Anthony and the Johnsons or something like that. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. And I love that they have their hair out like that.
For my wings,
so good.
For my wings,
so in sync with each other.
I'm gonna be born into soon the sky. I'm gonna be born.
Both are so impressed. They're so present in the song and the movements, and they're really feeling the words.
I'm a bird girl, and the bird girls go to heaven.
I love this! And to this song, it's like perfect.
I'm a bird girl, and the bird girls can fly. Oh, bird girls can fly.
Feels so pure and like, what do you call it? Not naked, but your emotions are naked almost. You know, when you have your hair let down like that and such clean outfits and such clean movement. They are so good. Gosh, how I love this! They are so talented, those two. They are so good, and I thought Tate would win the So You Think You Can Dance, but Kira was very worthy to win too. But Tate has such presence and such maturity for being so young, and I know that the age gap is pretty big, I guess, between Briar and Tate, but they were just as equal, both of them. And I love this song, and I love that they had made like a professional production. Very, very good. I couldn't see a flaw. Flawless. Both emotion and, I don't know, I'm repeating myself, but it was amazing. Thank you so much, and go to their video and channel and subscribe and like and everything, and I will put the link down below, and go give them love. They deserve all the love they can get. And both of you, amazing job. Thank you so much. And everyone out there, keep being you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.